appreciate y'all coming down to cheer us on today. My name is Marie Carlson. This is my wonderful partner, Charvon Kemp, our son, Christopher. When Charvon and I first got together a little over 8 years ago, I asked her to marry me if they ever made marriage legal for same sex. She said yes, thank goodness. And we made a little bit of a joke about it never ever happening in our lifetime. Neither one of us believed that it would be legal for us to marry, but yet our dream of being able to legally wed is on the docket of the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals. How cool is that? Never in our dreams did we believe that this would happen, much less believe that we'd be honored enough to be a part of the fight for all in the same situation as us to legally wed. Yet here we are. Charvon's boys, we have 2 of them. There's one that's older, lives away from us. They've always thought of me as their stepmom. And our oldest considers his children to be my grandchildren. I wouldn't have it any other way, and I'm so very lucky to have this family. But I would like to make it legal. Charvon and I have built a life together, and we feel that we should be allowed to take the final step of marriage to make it right. So we will fight this all the way to the top until there is marriage equality for all.
I'm shorter. Hello, Chicago! I am Charvon Kemp. As she said, I am partners with Marie Carlson, my son Christopher, and our beautiful co-plaintiffs back here. We have Bill, Dean, Judy, Katie, my brain just went blank, Virginia, and Carol. Marie and I met 8 years ago and have been inseparable ever since. We want very much to get married for the same reasons most couples do. I love her, and I want to spend the rest of my life with her. I'm old-fashioned, and that I feel when 2 people have decided to commit to each other, they should get married. Marie and I have made that commitment. We have built a household and raised children. We have been there for each other through the good and the bad times. Neither of us can envision a life without the other in it. Now, beyond us, we feel that every consenting adult deserves the opportunity to marry the person that they love, no matter the gender identification. It is our hope that everyone here today feels the same as we do and unite together to bring marriage equality to all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Bill Hurtubise. This is my partner of 8 years, Dean Palmer, and my very active children, Drew, Eliza, and Layton, 5, 4, and 3. We are the Racine, Wisconsin plaintiffs for the ACLU's case against the same-sex marriage ban. I'd like to take a moment to thank the ACLU for giving our family a voice, for Judge Crabb, and for all the supporters of the lawsuit and same-sex marriage in general. We're hopeful that Judge Crabb's decision will be upheld tomorrow and allow our family to be recognized as a legal family with the same rights as any other citizen. A little over 8 years ago, I had only concerns of myself. Then I met Dean, a goofy teddy bear who tries to make our world a little better and helps me not take life so seriously. I never thought I'd be standing here today asking for the right to marry because I really didn't believe it would ever be an option for a family like ours. Our relationship has had many, for better or worse, moments, but I have trust and confidence to know that I have his support and love, and he has mine. Our commitment to each other is based based on love, respect, and acceptance of most of each other's flaws. 3 years ago, we decided to increase our love by having a family. Drew, Eliza, and Layton have made our family complete. The love we share as parents for these children are beyond words. We are both parents, and like any parent, our main priority is to give them guidance, security, love, compassion, and the sense of a happy, normal, real family. Wisconsin law prevents us from doing one of the most simple and basic things for our children. We cannot provide them adequate security. The law states that only one person can adopt if the couple is not married, and we can't marry. If the legal parent dies, in the eyes of the state, our kids would be orphaned and potentially removed from their home, their family, their friends, their school, and that would be absolutely tragic. Being given the right to marry would provide our family a great gift of security. After 8 years, we have met many challenges and made most of them work like any traditional marriage. Yet, because of our gender, we may not have the legal protections provided by marriage. Our families accept us, our friends accept us, our employers accept us, our neighbors accept us, our church accepts us. We hope the government will now accept us. We ask for the right to marry. Thank you again for your support and to the ACLU for bringing this case to this point.